I think having the home crowd behind us will have a good chance.
We're gonna win 4-1.
4-1
with 2 goals from Francolino.
Hello and welcome back. Addiction Football is going on tour again. This time I'm taking you along to one of the most beautiful countries on planet Earth. A country in which many moons ago I've lived for a couple of years. No, it is not Mexico. It is in fact Scotland. I really like how this stadium is built so close in between houses, and it must be great to live close to your stadium as a fan. And again, back when I lived in Glasgow and went to all the Scotland matches, I literally was living right across the road from Hampden Park. So Scotland is doing a pretty good job sometimes when it comes to that. That, however, is obviously the downside of having a stadium right in front of your door. I remember having to sometimes park my car in the parallel street because there was a concert on at Hampden Park. But it's good to have free concerts too. All right, having breakfast, I already ran into the first away fans today. What's your name?
Simon.
Simon?
And Matthias.
And Matthias.
Yeah.
So you're enjoying Edinburgh so far?
Yeah, so far, yes. Just
So it's a beautiful city, right?
Yes, it is.
So you came here all the way from Denmark, I assume. Do you think you can win tonight?
Of course. Yeah. Midtjylland is best when we are hunting
Right.
for victory. So, of course, I believe in a win.
Okay, so what's the score going to be?
3-1. 3-1. Yeah.
3-1?
Yeah.
2-1?
2-1. Yeah.
Right.
Close,
And
but a win.
right. How many fans are going to come from Denmark tonight?
We're guessing for 300, 400 guys.
So it's about 2 hours and about 5 pints later, and apart from Matthias and Simon, another 2 Simons joined us. So I think the whole of Denmark is called Simon for whatever reason. Simon number 2. What's your guess for the match? You're going to win tonight?
We're gonna win 4-1
4-1
with 2 goals from Francolino.
Francolino, yeah, he seems to be the talent. Apparently there's high offers for him, and you don't want to get rid of him because
He's very good.
yeah,
He's very good. Yeah.
right. Simon number 3, what's your guess? You're gonna win?
We're gonna win, but it's gonna be a very even game.
You're gonna win
2-1 for us.
after 90 minutes.
It could go into extra time, but we're gonna win 2-1.
Right.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be 3-0.
A what?
3-0.
On the way to the ground now, and this is for all the Danish people watching. I know it's actually a Swedish thing, but the Midtjylland fans made me try snooze. Ah, my God, it's not for me, that's all I'm saying. Right, I'm in front of the ground now. It's less than an hour to kick off. It's slowly but surely filling up. So let's see if we can talk to a couple of Hibs fans as well. What's your name, man?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
So, are you confident that Hibs can win tonight?
I think having the home crowd behind us will have a good chance.
Right.
Yeah, I think so. 2-1
Cool.
Hibs.
2-1 to Hibs. All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
So it's 0-0 after 90 minutes. We're going into extra time, possibly into penalties. Hibs were the better team in the first half, and in the second half, Midtjylland have been a bit better, I would say. So there were 3 offside goals in this match so far. 2 for Hibs, 1 for Midtjylland. But the one for Midtjylland, obviously, honestly, I didn't even film because it was so obvious that it's going to be offside. So. So in the end, it's 2-1 to Midtjylland. All goals were in extra time. So 2-1 Midtjylland in the end after extra time. They're going through and they're playing Fredrikstad in Norway in the next round of the Europa League qualification, while Hibs are dropping down to the Conference League qualification, and they'll be playing Partizan Belgrade. That's going to be a tough one. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and also check out the Addiction Football shop right below this video, where you can get an amazing canvas print of Easter Road Stadium and other stadiums I've been to, or the official Addiction Football logo mug. That being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.